parents and youth, we have to make nikah easy so we can make zina difficult. Zina destroys the whole society, and like in any body, cell is the foundation, is the basic structure, basic building block of the body. The building block is the home. So we need to build more homes quicker, faster, and a lot of boys and girls are not able to marry because we have made expectations level so high. The brothers are reluctant to even ask for marriage because they know that the girls will demand more. Sisters are reluctant to marry because they think that they cannot meet the requirements of the demands of the family. They are expected to become the perfect human being. To make things easier, we have to completely reduce the demands of mahar. We have to completely remove the demands of jahez or the dowry coming from girls. Reduce the burden of marital expenses, the wedding expenses for both boys and girls. Make nikah as simple as possible and make weddings as less expensive as possible. Encourage youth, both boys and girls, to be married earlier before they even get on their career, because Allah is the provider, not us. Our degrees are not the providers. Is to actually protect our boys and girls from relationships, illegal relationship, illegitimate relationships. So Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has instructed youth to be married. You cannot marry, you have to fast.